Hours after Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the new parliament building, former Congress President Rahul Gandhi took a jibe at him, saying that he is considering the inauguration of the new building as a coronation ceremony. Gandhi's tweet read, "The Prime Minister is considering the inauguration of the Parliament House as a coronation." Rahul Gandhi's party, Congress, is among 20 parties that boycotted the grand opening of the new parliament, questioning why Prime Minister was inaugurating the new building. The BJP-led National Democratic Alliance, or NDA, has labelled the decision to boycott the inauguration a blatant affront to democratic ethos and constitutional values of the great nation. Launching a crackdown on the protesting grapplers, the police removed tents from Jantar Mantar from the protest site. Wrestler Bajrang Punia was also detained by security personnel while marching towards the parliament building. The protesters have called it a peaceful march, saying that it is their right to take to the streets. Police detained protesters marching towards the new parliament building for the Mahila Samman Mahapanchayat called by protesting wrestlers. Protesting wrestlers jumped over the police barricading at Jantar Mantar to march towards the new parliament building. Condemning the detention, DCW Chief Swati Maliwal said, and I quote, "These women had raised the tricolour on foreign soil. Today these daughters are being dragged like this and the tricolour is being insulted on the road like this." The BSF shot down a Pakistani drone that had entered Indian airspace in Amritsar. On Saturday night, after hearing the sound of the drone, the BSF Jawans fired more shots. The sound of the drone stopped in no time and the drone was found in the fields during the search. Reports said at the time of the interception of the drone, some local smugglers of Amritsar also reached the border, reportedly to take the 3.4 kg of heroin. Seeing the BSF Jawans, they apparently started running away. Reports said that the soldiers impeded their attempt to escape. Reports further revealed that during the chase, a suspect was caught who is being interrogated by the BSF. Mild earthquake tremors were felt today in Delhi and neighbouring areas. There were no immediate reports of any injuries or damages. Seismologists said that the tremors, which lasted for a few seconds, occurred at around 11:23 am. Tremors were also felt in many parts of Punjab and Haryana, including Chandigarh. According to India's National Centre for Seismology, an earthquake of magnitude 5.2 was reported near Faizabad, Afghanistan on Sunday morning. The epicenter of the earthquake was 79 kilometers southeast of Faizabad in Afghanistan. The earthquake struck at 11:19 am IST at a depth of 220 kilometers from the surface.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.